All right, the recording has been started. So now let's get started with the introduction. Okay. So I hope you guys have enrolled for certified SOC analyst CS here, right? Uh, so before I introduce about myself, okay, my experience into the multiple technologies, I just wanted to understand few details from you so that I will understand something from you guys and I'll try to deliver as per your requirement. Okay. So for that, let me do one thing. Let me make a note of your name. You guys can raise your hand or else you start introduce about yourself. Okay. Uh, Name. First thing is name. Okay. Education. Okay. And any experience into IT or cybersecurity. Okay. Or SOC at least anything. And why did you choose this SOC? Why not others? Why not others? Just I wanted to understand few details from you. Accordingly, we can take it forward. Okay. So our classes will start not only complete theory. Okay, we're also doing some practical experience, practical labs, as well as we're also going to interact with each other for better communication skills. Because communication skills to crack the interview is most important. Okay, if you know the subject but if you're lack in the communication skills, that is very difficult challenge to crack the interview. Okay, so I want everyone to participate. You need to speak and you need to raise the questions if you don't understand properly. Okay, that is my humble request. And let's get started now. So start with randomly. I'll go on to pick chinnapuri Chinnampuri Munigo.
Yeah, hi sir. My name is Munigopal. Uh,
Munigopal. Okay.
yeah, I'm a MBA postgraduate to 2018, and
Mhm.
previously I'm working in BPO.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know about this cyber security and IT
Mhm.
knowledge.
Okay. So we'll
Mm,
consider you as a fresher in that case.
okay.
Okay. So I
Mm,
mean, since you don't have any prior experience in IT, so we need to start complete what is server, right? What is networking, what is
mm,
database. Everything need to be started with the scratch, right? So that is your requirement. Okay. Why did
mm.
you choose the SOC? Why not others?
Yeah, one of my friends suggested this SOC course. So it have good career
Friend
and also
suggest.
demand also. So they
Mhm.
said this is a good sector in IT nowadays.
Okay. So I'm going to give you an assignment to you. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm,
Assignment for you is go to market,
mm,
research,
mm,
research why SOC is playing important role.
mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, by next class.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so because
Mm,
you said your friend suggested, right? So that's not the proper answer.
mm,
Yeah, definitely we need to take the guidance, but
mm,
you should be in the position that you should able to answer why you choose the SOC career in future. Okay, so when we will come to know by researching, by
okay.
talking with others. Please try to talk with others, either
Okay.
that could be your friends or trainers or mentors, anyone,
Mm-hmm.
and see the importance of the SOC. Okay. So
Okay.
anyway, whatever whoever suggested, that's the right direction. I would suggest. I would say, but
Mm,
you need to know why SOC is important role. Okay, that's most important. You need to know. That's for the assignment for you, not only for you, for others as well. Please make a note. Okay.
okay.
So thank you, Monogopal, for your introduction.
Yeah. Thank you.
Uh, so I think that's it from your side. What about others? Let me say. iPhone. I would request change your name from iPhone, Samsung to your actual names, please.
Hello, sir. Yeah, sorry, but automatically it will showing as iPhone. I'll change it to today.
Please. Yeah.
Yeah.
May I know your good name, please?
My name is Shrikant, sir. I just completed my BCA in this year.
Oh, Shihan. Are you?
From Shrikant.
Srikanth, okay.
Yeah, Shrikant. I just completed my BCA in this year.
Your voice is
From
breaking,
last three
Srikanth.
months, I'm doing course in
Your voice is breaking,
Okay,
Srikanth.
sir. Are you hearing right now? Sir,
Is it
I'm
for
audible right
everyone
now.
or only for me?
I think
Munigopal?
I mean, I'm in a Coorg right now, sir. I came today. I think network problem, network issue is there.
Oh, now it's okay. Yeah, please go ahead. Introduce about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Shrikant. I just completed my BCA in this year. From last 3 months, I'm doing course in the APC Learning Academy. I just
Mm-hmm.
completed my CCA in APC Learning Academy, and just now we are taking SOC.
So you completed which course you completed?
Yeah, in APC CCNA, CCNA, sir.
Oh, CCNA you completed. Cisco certified. Okay. Okay. And why did you choose the SOC then?
So I don't have that much idea about this. It's
Again, your voice is breaking, Srikanth.
yeah, I'm audible right now. Hello,
Yeah, please go ahead. Mm.
sir. I mean, hello.
Please go ahead.
Sir, yeah, I mean, I don't have that much idea about SOC. I mean, in IT field, I think it's a more, right now happening course, I think. So I took this course.
Okay. All right. I think you have some network issue. I couldn't hear it properly, but okay, that's okay.
Okay, from
I'll take your.
next classes, it will be good, sir. I'm going to Bangalore. I'll be there, Bangalore. So I think it's okay. From tomorrow, I'll speak correctly.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank
yeah,
you, Srikanth.
yes.
So now come to Aishwarya. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. This is Ishwarya. I did my BTech from Bangalore in Ramaya. Then
Mhm.
after that, I did have 1 year of experience. That was more towards data role. But during my college time, I did my internship in GRC. I mean, ISO related course that is risk and audit part of cybersecurity. So since then,
Mhm.
I wanted to continue in cyber itself, but that time I was able to get the data role only. And why SOC? Because to be honest, I'm more interested on the risk and audit part. But it seems like I'll be considered as a fresher or entry level for cyber roles. And SOC, it was suggested that SOC includes more on the monitoring, logging, or basically the technical part of cybersecurity. So, getting this knowledge might be helpful to, I mean, to start the career or to get an entry in cybersecurity compared to other roles.
I see.
And that I will say.
All right.
But for
That's good. Uh,
you can suggest me like if I'm correct or how is it, sir? Like for the
so
entry.
Aishwarya, your voice is also breaking. So guys, I think is it for me or for everyone?
No, sir, I think I might have network issues.
Oh, you also have a network issue? Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir, might have.
Okay, just can you repeat? You completed your BTech in from Bangalore, and after that, any experience into IT?
I do have a data analyst.
Oh, artificial data science, data analyst.
Yes, sir. But
Okay,
cyber, like I did my internship in ISO related role, not exactly in cyber, but it was more towards the ISO part of like the risk part of that. I wanted to go with that only. but I got in data, and for this course also, it was just suggested that if I try directly for risk and audit, the chances of getting it's bit difficult compared to SOC. Like SOC is like a base thing, which is somewhere that are related to cyber, and you can get an entry to cyber. The later half you can focus on the risk part.
So my question here is it a data analyst, right? So data analyst, what are the tools you learned? You haven't learned NumPy and Pandas, or what is the exact tools you learned?
Sir, actually, earlier NumPy Pandas was there, but I was
Hmm.
more on the PySpark,
Oh,
SQL,
PySpark, okay. Hmm.
yeah, pipeline, those parts are Databricks, somewhere or other, those parts are. It was good.
Got
I
it.
won't say anything negative, but like since I was a bit interested to start with, from beginning only for the cyber, so I thought this might be one way to at least get entry for the cyber thing.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. No, because you worked in the data analyst, that's a different platform. Now you're looking into cyber security, that's a different platform, right? That's what I've
Yeah,
been asking.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, yeah, if you have the good experience, I mean 1 or 2 year experience in data analyst, that will be really helpful. But anyway, you chose the very great path. Let's take it forward. Okay. So thanks for your introduction. Now let's move to the others. Who is there? Dhanush.
So, yeah,
The,
I'm audible, sir.
yes, Dhanush. So Dhanush,
Yeah.
you are also
Uh,
part of the CCNA, right? You are.
yeah, sir. But the course was previously like it was like last topic before I said it was remaining. I think CCNA also I attended the classes.
Oh yeah, I remember your name. That's what
Yeah.
I'm marking as.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
Yeah.
now tell me about yourself.
Currently I'm studying in 12th, computer science. Like I'm more interested in like technical things and hardware things in technologies. So I'll
Hmm.
chosen a different path towards cybersecurity. Like everyone moves for software engineering, building apps, and like I wanted to test the backends, why the apps are building in these apps. So I went explored and got to know about cybersecurity and learning it, sir. That's
Hmm.
yeah,
All right, since you're into 12th, I think you need to complete the degree as well, right? So
yeah, yeah.
that's plenty of things. But I was really surprised in the age of 12th itself, you're actively learning the skills and trying to adapting the technologies. That's really good, Dhanush. Appreciated for you that. I hope you will become expert on these areas. Okay,
Yeah,
after
thank you, sir.
graduation, before and after graduation. That's good. Thank you, Dhanush. Who else?
Welcome, sir.
Uh, Tanush, iPhone, Aishwarya. I think 4 members, right? That's good. Okay, let me about introduce myself. Okay, just let me stop sharing and let me introduce my PPTs. Um, Student database professionals. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Uh, all right. Okay, so let me introduce about myself. My name is Sandeep. Total, I have 15 years. 15 years experience into IT industry, which includes experience in network security in the sense SOC, AWS, cloud, Azure, GCP, automation like designing and implementations, If you see my certifications, right, I completed CC and SEC and PCC, written AWS, certified in AWS Solution Architect, Professional, AWS Network Specialization. I was certified in the Python, DevOps. In AWS, we have network DevOps specialization that I completed, and Ansible, Terraform, SOC, and artificial intelligence. Okay. Currently, I'm pursuing artificial intelligence from the university, which is IIT, one of the reputation university. From still, it's going on. Probably that will be complete next 1 or 2 years. Okay. So that is about my entire professional experience and certifications. And come to my teaching, I've been teaching from the last 6 years. I taught multiple institutes, and from the last 3 to 4 years, I've been tied with APC Hacker Institute, and I'm continuously giving multiple batches, not only on technology. I used to give the training on CC and PCC and AWS, Python, DevOps, Ansible, Terraform, SOC, and artificial intelligence with APC Hacker Institute. And I think SOC, I think this is the seventh or sixth batch. I don't remember. Normal sixth batch, I guess. Okay. So far I completed of more than 600 to 550 students. I have trained successfully across all the technologies, and I'm keep on increasing the count. That's about my introduction. Any questions related to my experience, or you wanted to ask anything? Any questions from anyone? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no. No, if no, please say no. That's okay.
No,
Okay,
sir.
now let's share my notes. Okay, let's discuss. Let me give you a small introduction to the SOC. Okay. Okay. Let me give you the small introduction to the SOC. So today is a introduction day, so I'm not going to cover more into that. So I'll give you the basics introduction. What do you think? Okay, what is first of all, what is SOC analyst? Any thoughts?
I think monitoring and analyzing of the issues in cyber security of us SOC.
Oh, yeah, that's correct. Think normally what tools we going to use it to monitor and detect for investigation?
Yes, sir.
What tools we going to use? Any ideas from anyone?
No, sir. No
Okay.
ideas.
So I want active participation from anyone, please. Aishwarya, Gokul, Muni Gopal, Danush. Please unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay. Now here, let me give you the definition, and then later you can share your thoughts. First of all, when you go for interview, if someone asks what is SOC analyst, a SOC analyst monitors, detects, investigates, and responds to cybersecurity threats in real-time environment. Okay, so typically they uses the SIM tools. As what is SIM? SIM stands for Security Information Event Management, and also they use one more tool called EDR. EDR stands for Endpoint Detection and Response, and also tools like in the threat intelligence platforms and incident response workflows. Okay, those are the technologies normally you guys has to understand and learn. Now, if anyone asks what is SOC analyst normally monitors, detects, investigates, and responds to cybersecurity threats. Okay, we don't aware of what is threats. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to teach you in real time. So typically using this, I'm going to write in the next line. Okay, typically using tools like SIEM. Okay, this is one of the tool you need to remember. Okay, SIEM stands for Security, Information, and Event Management. Okay, and one more important tool called EDR. EDR stands for Endpoint Detection and Response. Okay, and one more called Threat Intelligence Platform Tools and Incidents Response Workflows. Okay, so these things normally work SOC analyst has to do. That is his roles and responsibilities, or he has to understand, he has to learn to become as a SOC analyst. So a SOC analyst normally he monitors the entire production environment, which includes the web application, which includes the servers, which includes the database, which includes the network, okay, which includes these firewalls, whatever the devices or the components involved in the organization, okay, for their production, everything has to monitor, detects if any false transactions, false traffic, malicious traffic were injected into the network, even the users traffic, right? Whoever working in the companies or in product-based companies or service-based companies, they allow for the laptops. Okay, so the SOC analyst roles and responsibilities is to inject whatever the operation which is being done by the user. We have to keep an eye on the user. We have to capture those logs and we have to push into the SIM tools. We have Splunk, lot of Datadog. Okay, Splunk is majority. We can a lot of tools are available in the market. Okay, we have to inject all the logs from your local machines or from the servers or databases or from any networking components or security components. We have to push into the SIM tool, and you guys you are the primary responsible person for doing verification, investigation. Okay, if someone logged into the databases without the permissions, why he has logged into the devices? Okay, if someone from the network team has pushed the policies, has pushed the policies in the production without any proper changes or without any proper approvals, right? So, and if someone from the application has deployed the code without verifying the without performing the validation and unit testing everything, okay, so all the things, the logs has to be injected into this Splunk, and you have to investigate. Not only that part, right? If something happens, nowadays cybersecurity, a lot of attacks will come into from outside world, not only from inside. So majority of the attacks, okay, 60% or 40% will come from outside. Remaining 30% to 40% or 50% will come from inside only. So you need to keep an eye on both environments, outside environment as well as inside environment. Okay, and you have to keep on investigating, generate the report, and response to cybersecurity threats in real time. So this means if you're getting any kind of threats, DDoS attacks, or any kind of SQL injection attacks, any attacks comes from the outside. Okay, so you have to respond back to the user stating this is the vulnerabilities, this is the threats we're getting from the outside world. So to mitigate that, what are the recommended steps you need to follow? You have to provide the solutions to them, and you have to follow up with them to apply those rules in the production. So this is normally SOC analyst has to do. Okay, so for this, to identify, to monitor, to detect, right, all the things, we have multiple tools are available in the market. For SIM, Splunk is there. Okay, for an EDR endpoint detection, a lot of tools are available in the market. Threat intelligence platform tools are available. Incident response workflows. Okay, what is this? Change management, service now, right? We can use this as well for instance response workflows. So this is about SOC analyst. Any questions here? Okay, now let's try to the now let's try to the next professional certificate course. Okay. So this covers, we're going to cover, in this course, we're going to cover SIM, incident detection, log analysis, threat response, and SOC workflows. Okay, so we're going to focus mostly into fundamentals, focus on fundamentals, very basics. Okay, so before that, I want to start with the what is Linux, what is, that's a different. Okay, I'm going to cover the fundamentals. Okay, plus hands-on hands-on skills. Like, no, for example, we are going to give, I'm going to give you the Linux operating system, or we need to provision the Linux operating system. I need to do, you need to know the commands of the Linux, because the production systems are always be not only in the Windows. Most majority of the applications will be hosted on the Kubernetes or on the Linux platform. So you need to know the basics of the Linux. That's most important. Okay. Um, so yeah, that's it about the content. And let me open the oral syllabus which we're going to cover. Please stop sharing. Let me open the syllabus. Okay. So this is about okay. So Hackers University APC training. Okay, training. Let's try to see the first page. What is SOC aim? We're going to discuss SOC aim. Cyber attacks and instructions are most feasible to prevent. Okay, more of training. Okay, so we're going to, you can attend in person classroom or instructor led live online trainings. And also we're going to schedules from, it will be scheduled from Monday to Friday. So I won't discuss with you. Okay, and let's see this syllabus. Okay, so the entire syllabus start entire having, we have a lot of 16 modules. Okay, the first module starts from basics of networking. Okay, this networking, how the network will be designed in the organization, what is switches, what is firewalls, what is WAF, okay, what is IDS and IPS. So those things we need to identify, you need to know. And the second foundation module is foundation of bits and bytes and packets, and internet layer, reamp and transport layer, which is part of OSA model. We're going to discuss it. UDP and ICMP protocols, we're going to discuss about it. Use cases, right? Why the protocols will be used in the network. Okay, how the attackers will find the loopholes. Okay, so using the white shock, okay, we can inspect the entire traffic, and we can see the loopholes available in the traffic. And Windows, AMP, and Linux, I'm going to teach you the Linux and system hacking. How we can do the system hacking? Okay, what are the vulnerabilities? How to find out the loopholes in the system, in the operating system, that we can do it. Use cases I'm going to discuss about more on it. In the module number 10, we're going to discuss about web application attacks, use cases. Okay, and antivirus working types, AMP use cases, IDS. I think I told you, right? And firewall working and types and attacking phases. So these are the 16 modules we're going to cover in the entire SOC. Okay, apart from that, I'm going to teach you the Python as well, because for web applications nowadays, every application team are not only using the legacy tool .NET, Java, and nowadays for full stack, they are using the Python as a fundamental. Okay, as a front end application. In the backend, they might be using the databases, or the backend languages. They can use the, what is this? A lot of tools are available in the market, a lot of programming languages. But I'm going to teach you the Python as well for your future references. Okay, and what else? Let's see the basics introduction to this. Okay, and also we're going to teach about okay, in the actual this that's about the fundamentals part. Whatever the models which I'm covering, those are fundamentals. Okay, fundamentals are we're going to cover 16 topics, 16 models. Okay, now this is the actual course. So we're going to discuss about introduction to the SIM network threads. We're going to discuss SIM architecture. So this is most important. When you go for interview, okay, you need to define the blueprint for your organization. Okay, so the blueprint should be into the blueprint should be in your mind wherever you go for any interviews. You should throw like anything the same blueprint across these companies across the interviews. Okay, and SM deployments we won't discuss about logs and events, event collection and event correlation, correlation routes, forensically ready data. Okay, instruction detection, prevention and tolerance, properties of the robot SCM. Okay, so these things we're going to learn in the SCM solutions. Come to the installation alien wall and SCM using web interfaces, configuring sensors and logger servers, configuring network inventory, configuring the vulnerability scanning, configuring the signature updates, policy management, configuring tickets, introduction to Splunk. I think I said you right, SCM, right? So in SCM, one of the tool we're going to use is Splunk. Overview of machine data, how Splunk works with the machine data, introduction to Splunk's user interface, searching and saving results, creating reports and visualization. I think she said about data analyst, right? So data science analyst. So there we are using the numpys and pandas. Here we're not going to use any numpys and but I'll teach you how to generate the reports. How, and reports is most important in the SOC analyst. Okay, so you guys are collecting the data and making it as a meaningful information via reports. And even visualization can be done using dashboards. I need to build it, or you know the count of the vulnerabilities present in the company. Okay, from the last 15 days or from the last 6 months, how many vulnerabilities are present now, how many we have mitigated, how many we addressed, and still how many are pending. Okay, all the things has to be prepared via reports and visualization tools. Okay, as you can see, a working SOC analyst will need to have a fundamental understanding of a wide variety of IT security related tools, software, networks, and hacking techniques. So to keep on top of the job, you need to be all-rounder across many IT security related disciplines in order to succeed. So guys, one last word I would say. If you guys really wanted to go your career in the SOC analyst or cyber security, okay, I would say all you need to focus not only on the SOC analyst tools. Okay, you need to know all the technologies which are running in the company, not in the company, which is present in the market. Okay, you need to keep on upskill because attackers can build their new attacks, new cyber threats. Okay, they can inject any malware into the company by any way. That to stop it, you are the only person who need to identify that and you need to address it. Okay, if you want to catch the thief, you need to think like a thief. Okay, that is the quotation you need to remember always. So try to upskill everything, learn each and everything, be expert on that area. Okay, so that's the thing, and let's try to focus on the slide. SOC list. Okay, so I think these are the just basics introduction to this SOC list and everything. So I'm not going to follow these models. Okay, I'm going to teach you from very very basics onwards. This is about the content. Any technology. I think one more technology for what is cloud. Okay, nowadays all the applications are hosted in the cloud, so you need to learn the cloud as well. So Python you need to know. So those technologies will not be part of the SOC. Okay, keep in mind, guys. Okay, so if you wanted to complete the course, yes, SOC analyst. If you follow the content, you can go for the written exam, you can clear the exam. That's fine. But if you want to step into the job, SOC analyst, the content is not only enough. Okay, you need to learn the Python, programming languages, web applications. Okay, cloud. Majority of the applications are completely moving from data centers to the up cloud. In the cloud, you are the person who has to design the complete architecture, and you have to define the blueprints. Okay, and you have to restrict how you need to restrict the traffic, and you have to define uh, you have to strictly define the policies for to secure their applications. So because company relies complete trust on you, and companies relies on your architecture. So it's a very is a so I can list initially, that's okay. I'm explaining about when you keep on getting experience, you will move into the very good roles. Okay, I'm thinking overall big experience level. Okay, so I can list is a matter of just monitoring team. You will get the note, you'll generate the reports and drop it. That's it. But when you get the keep on experience, you will become the backbone to the company. Okay, so you have to do the audits if it is required. Okay, so a lot of things will come into this SOC cyber security. So I hope you guys are choose the very right direction, right path in the right time. Okay, that's about the SOC introduction. So tomorrow I prepared the PPTs, the content we're going to cover. Okay, each and everything we're going to start from the very basics onwards. Okay, the last topic for today is how the classes will be done. The first day, theory. Okay. The second day, labs with practice, with assignments. Okay. So we're going to do the labs. I'll show you the labs, and also I'm going to give you some assignments to you guys to complete in the next class. And we offer the recordings each and every day. Okay, we're going to record the session. Okay, so whenever you require, I think you can request my support team, so they'll share you the recording sessions. You can, even if you miss the session also, no need to worry about, but I request everyone to join without missing any classes. So that's about the class scenarios. Any questions before? Yeah, Aishwarya, please go ahead.
Sir, I had this confusion. Like you said, like I agree with that we need to do this web-based cloud or this part because that will be definitely helpful. Like, okay, and but sir,
Your voice is breaking. Aishwarya, sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is breaking.
can I just type?
Your voice is breaking. I couldn't hear you properly, Aishwarya. I think there's some network issues from your side. I couldn't hear you properly. Yeah, you can speak now. No problem. Okay, theory, labs with assignments, and the third point is recordings. Okay. So, any questions from anyone? I think till Aishwarya joins, Munigopal, Dhanush, and Google.
Classes timings daily, it is 8 p.m. Hello.
Yeah, Munigopal, please tell me.
Yeah, daily class time is 8 p.m.
Actually, that please talk with Nirmala and Priya on that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I mean, we can. I'm not only taking this course, right? I'm having multiple courses. I need to adjust my timings.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can please keep in touch with Nirmala and the team, so they will get back to you with the timings. So what is your timings available? Your availabilities?
Daytime, sir, afternoon.
Afternoon, right? Yeah. Even it's because the night hours, I used to work as a senior manager in the one of the broad-based companies. Okay, so I need
Hmm.
to cover the shifts and everything. Um, so that's what Please talk with Nimla once, and if you guys are comfortable with any time zone, just let me know. I'll try to adjust accordingly.
Okay,
All
sir.
right.
Mm.
Perfect. Any questions? The timing wise, I don't. That's alternate. That's a optional. Okay, we can adjust whatever. I want your questions to be asked on the technology.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
sir.
did I
Actually,
miss
I
any
don't know
question?
about the coding and all. I don't know the languages also.
Hmm.
Uh, so I will research and I will ask you doubts in next session, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Even
Mm.
I'm teaching you, right? Because you guys are freshers based on my experience. Based on my experience, I know what SOC analyst has to do, has to perform their work to become an expert, right? I know completely.
Mm.
So I that's the reason I'm giving you my experience level of knowledge to you guys to focus not only in the SOC analyst tools, but also you guys has to focus on the programming languages, cloud environment, designing part is most important, right? Architecture. So you are the backbone for the companies. True backbone. Security is a true backbone for the company. You're not generating any revenue.
Mm.
Is it true? You guys will generate any revenue? No. Any
Mm.
company, SOC analyst will not generate any revenue. But still there are a lot of demand to the company because you guys are protecting the reputation of the company.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Reputation is most important to onboard the customers, right? If they
Mm.
if you don't, if the company doesn't have any reputation, any production one second, sorry. Okay, what happens if the companies are getting hacked by the ethical hackers, sorry, if the companies are hacking by the from the attackers, will any customers trust your company?
No.
No, right? So how the companies trust? Based on your cybersecurity environment, right? Based on they are trusting you, the blueprint which you designed, architecture which you designed, right? So that will play very important role. Not now, stock analyst, you don't know, no need to bother about the architecture, but slowly, gradually, will come to know about the architecture. So after 8 years experience, I'm going to teach you right away. Okay, slowly from this very basics to advanced, we're going to teach completely. So that's what I wanted to teach you. Okay, if you have any doubts or anything, please feel free to raise the questions, ask the right proper question. Definitely, I will answer it accordingly. Okay, and Aishwarya, please go ahead now. Oh, I think she dropped. Dhanush, iPhone, Srikanth,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Dhanush, do you have any other questions?
Yes,
No, sir. No.
Srikanth.
Perfect. iPhone, Srikanth,
Sir, when
please go
you're
ahead.
going to share, I mean,
Uh, Srikanth, your voice is very, very,
recordings,
you
I
know,
mean, yeah,
you can see in the recording session, you can see how your voice is actually. No, nothing. I couldn't
yeah, I
hear
think,
any.
yeah, yeah. So, are you hearing right now?
Yeah, now I'm good. Now I'm good. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so when you're going to share the recordings,
Mm. Recordings, you can request my team members, either Nirmala or Priya, okay, or
yeah,
my support persons. They will share with all the things.
all recordings in weekends, sir. So I don't know how will they will share, so I'll ask with them.
Yeah, please, please. I think normally for other batches, whenever the class is done, okay, they
Okay,
used to share to the personal email address. So that I know because I've been taking the courses from other courses, right? So I came to know that if you want recording session, you can reach out to the support team. They will share you, or
yeah,
else you can
see,
get registered initially itself. On the recordings, will
mm,
they'll create the one folder. They'll give the permissions to you in the for your in the wherever you want to get access.
okay, okay, sir. I'll ask with them. See,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, yeah, here is I mean, a lot of network issue now, so I didn't hear some portions. So I want that recording, so I asked you.
yeah, yeah. Please, please, recording. Yeah, that's a good. If you don't hear it properly, always see the recording, get the knowledge.
Okay,
And
okay.
if you have any questions, let me know. No problem.
So,
I'm happy to repeat 1,000 times.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Sir,
So that is.
so from tomorrow also is same timings.
Timing says, please. I'm not comfortable with this time zone. Okay, I'm occupied with other things. Please
Okay.
talk with Nirmala and Priya, and please everyone from our team, just please have a word and come with
Okay.
what the time zone and let me know. Accordingly, I will plan it.
Sir,
Okay.
either, instead of these timings, when you will be free, sir, I'll talk to them. To talk to our, trainer. That teachers. I'll talk to them.
See, not only me, right? There are a lot of trainers that are available for the APC hackers, right? So if you want, everyone are experts. Okay, so if you want me to teach, just talk with the APC our Nirmala and our team. They will guide you. That's what. Not only you, right? I think we have 6 members. Everyone has to be on the same time zone. Everyone
Yeah,
should
yeah.
agree, right?
Yes,
If
yes, sir.
everyone agree with the same time zone, I'm happy to. Because someone might they want it in the night late night hours. Someone would require 6 p.m. You guys probably you might require in the afternoon. So accordingly, if whatever you guys suggested the best time zone, I will take one slot and I'll give the training accordingly.
Uh,
If someone
yes,
has
sir.
other time zones and if I want to cover 2 times, that's not possible for me to, right? So might be at that
Okay.
time they will assign to other trainers. Okay.
Okay.
So let's
If
see how it goes.
if
Hmm.
everyone was okay with this timings, means you're going to take this. You're going to continue, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I'll continue. No problem.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Everyone will talk to that Nirmala ma'am, and will inform you, sir, in next class.
Yeah. Please do that. And
Yeah,
I given the assignment, right? I want everyone to research what actually SOC list does. Okay.
sir.
Please do.
Sir, can you repeat that question? But I didn't hear that question.
The question was, you guys has to research
Yeah,
what the SOC analyst does.
or yeah, how it's working in real time, right?
No, no, not in the real time. What is what is what is exactly SOC? Something like that. Okay.
Oh,
Why
oh,
it is important? Why it is important nowadays? Why
and why it,
everyone? Yeah. Why it is
oh,
important in the
and how it
organization?
working?
Yeah. How it works? Whatever
Oh,
you want to do some research. That's what I'm telling.
okay, okay.
Someone I think you or someone I forgot, and you said my friend has given suggestion to do
No,
the
no, no,
SOC
I'm
analyst.
not. I
No,
think
no, no,
another
just
one.
It's me,
kidding.
sir, Munigopal.
Yeah. That those kind of answers, I think, yeah, suggestion, guidance, always it's good to take.
Actually, my friend is actually working as a pen tester, sir.
No,
So,
that's yeah,
uh,
yeah. I completely agree with you. But you should know what you're taking the step, right?
okay, sir.
So after 10 years, you should not think about, oh, why did I came to the SOC analyst?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you should not regret. That's what my intention is. Okay,
Mm,
so please verify it once. I'm in my opinion, SOC analyst is the best path. I would suggest, but you
okay.
should know. Don't rely on my words. Don't rely on your friend words. Just do research and come
Mm,
with the next
okay, sir.
class.
Okay,
If
sure.
you see any disadvantage of the SOC analyst, just raise the question to me. I will answer it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
So I think this is the introduction. I hope I interacted with you guys uh, smoothly, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Where is
Yeah.
Aishwarya? I think Aishwarya has some questions. So Gokul, do you have any questions? Gokul saying no. Okay. Munigopal,
Yes, sir. No question,
uh,
sir.
questions. Okay, all
Mm,
right.
mm.
Then let's connect tomorrow, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a great day. Then bye bye.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
care.
Yeah,
Okay,
bye,
sure.
bye, sir.
Yeah. Okay.